seeds are very aromatic, and it is an Indian practice to eat a few fennel seeds, that is somph, after every meal for a better digestion. Here is a home remedy for good digestion. Heat water in a pot, add fennel seeds. Once the water starts bubbling, cover it and let the concoction boil on a low flame for 10 minutes. Strain and drink the water after meals or before bed for an improved digestion and clean stomach next day. Here are a few health benefits of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants which protect the cells from oxidative stress caused due to erratic habits and lifestyle. Fennel seeds are rich in calcium and magnesium. They prevent bone-related issues and promote stronger bones. They are known to promote breast milk production in nursing mothers. Fennel seeds relaxes muscles in the gastrointestinal tract and provides relief to people struggling with IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. They have diuretic properties which reduce water retention and support weight loss efforts. Refrigerate the fennel seeds or store them in an airtight container in a dark, cool place for longer freshness. You can also grind the seeds to a coarse powder and use it regularly in curries.